Okay, so we've now got the metal laid out. My next step is to get it all clean, shiny and ready for marking out and welding. Okay, so that's the first pass with the flat wheel. You can see it's still not fully bright and shiny, but I've still got to cut the pieces. Once I've cut the pieces and know where the welds will be, I can really focus on those. One of the reasons that the metal itself has surface rust is I bought this from a steel fabricators, and the steel from a steel fabricators comes uncoated. So if you go to the likes of B&Q, it tends to have a really thick varnish on there, which takes quite a bit to get off. Whereas from a steel fabricators, there's no surface coating, so you do get a small amount of surface rust, but I prefer that. It's easier to get off than some of those varnishes that you'll find from the likes of B&Q. So right, next step is to mark out and get cutting. Right, so we're all clamped up now. You can never have enough clamps. I still feel like I should have a few more, but for now that's got to do. I've checked the dimensions by not just going length to length, but also across the diagonals, making sure that they match, and also using the spirit level to check, make sure that everything's plumb that way, as well as go via eye. So I've been drying out my arc welding rods in the oven. We've had a couple of hours at about 120 Celsius, just to make sure that the moisture's gone. So right, I'm now going to get on with the welding.